And now on from the pullets over to the apple trees that I just hacked, but they look like they're loving the less branches. This other one's already bloomed and all of its flowers have fallen. Various other blooms there. Let's go move our full-grown layers here. These are working girls. And try to move this twice a day. Yes, happy looking bunch there. It's hello ladies. Yeah, we're gonna move you. I am going to get a special dolly that can be screwed on right between the boxes there, just to help move this a little bit. Let's check out food. Food looks pretty good. You can't see the level, but it's about half full there. Alright. Must have collected the other ones today. He's gardening right now, so looks good.